Please give a round of applause as a representative from Alumni Corps to bring us.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joseph Hamilton. I am director of the Goodwill School Alumni Foundation. We are a registered charitable organization with a mandate to primarily support the Goodwill Primary and Infant School and by extension the wider community that is served by the school. I want to acknowledge all the dignitaries that are here this afternoon. Principal Board, the chairperson of the board, Mrs. Redway, and the guest speaker, Dr. Redway, political representatives, and most importantly, our graduating class of 2025. I am so thrilled and pleased to see the turnout, which tells me that the community is well supported. It's great to see all the parents showing up and all the other students that are not graduating, but they're here as well to give their support to this very special occasion. So to give you a little bit of a background of what the Goodwill School Alumni Foundation is about, we're a charity that was formed in February of 2019, and we are made up of past students that attended the Goodwill Primary School. Most of us in the organization went to Goodwill School when it was actually an all-age school. It was called the Goodwill All-Age School back then. So to tell you some of the things that we have done, we have sponsored a breakfast program at the school for the students who need breakfast. We have done annual back-to-school treats at the school since 2019. We have also built some community signs in the community. We have also helped some fire victims who have been burnt out, and we have provided financial support to help them get back on their feet. And we're also sponsoring the playground at the rear of the school. The Goodwill Playground Project is sponsored by the Goodwill School Alumni Foundation. We are in progress with that project right now. And for those of you who may not know, when you have the opportunity and you go by the school, you can take a look at the playground and see what we're doing. We still need funds to complete the project to get it where we want it to be. And I'll take this opportunity to ask you to support us on this worthwhile project. So, for the students, on behalf of the Goodwill School Alumni Foundation, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you on achieving graduation. I also want to tell you that your dedication, your determination, and your discipline have truly paid off, and that's why you're sitting here today. As part of our commitment to encourage excellence, we are constantly looking for ways that we can support you, and I want you to know that you can reach out to the Goodwill School Alumni at any time that you may need some financial support or you may need some moral support, and we will be here for you. So remember, the Goodwill School Alumni Foundation is here to look out for your best interests, and we want you to reach out to us when you need help. You're joining a proud legacy of excellence from Goodwill School. This is a school that has produced great athletes, professionals in many spheres, including teachers, nurses, doctors, lawyers, engineers. So, this is a rich history that reminds us that greatness begins with a strong foundation. And you are already on your way. Always remember that there are no limits to what you can achieve. With focus, perseverance, and belief in yourself, the future holds endless possibilities for you. Dream boldly, aim very high, and never stop striving for excellence. We celebrate you today, and we look forward to all that you will accomplish. And once again, I want to thank all the teachers that put in the hard work all the parents, and all the supporting people in the community who have brought you to where you are today. You must remember that you must respect your elders, respect your teachers, and you must respect your parents, because they are the ones who are always in your corner, giving you all the love and support that you need and deserve. There are a few words I want you to keep in mind. This is coming from a place where we think about giving as a charitable organization. I want you to think of humanitarianism. And so you can jot down that word and think about it after today's service. Think about benevolence. These are words that we want you to keep in mind. Stay away from drugs. Stay away from guns. Stay away from scamming. Stay away from thieving. These things will get you into a lot of problems and you will regret it. Strive for greatness. Strive to surpass the achievements of those who came before you. You should always have vision, inspiration, and aspiration. You must respect the old, respect the young, and respect the weak. Because one day, you will be old and you will be weak. And that's when you will need the younger ones to support you. Again, congratulations on being a graduate today, and I wish you all the best for the future.
Brutality we as the black never get weary.